Most people think recovery happens after your workout, but it doesn't. Recovery happens while you sleep. If you're waking up stiff, if you're constantly flipping your pillow because you're overheating, or you never feel fully recovered before your next workout, your mattress could be actually holding you back. Today I'm testing the new SweetNight CoolNest memory foam mattress that's designed all around cooling and recovery. I'm going to show you what makes it different, how it feels after sleeping on it, and whether I think it's actually worth buying. Look, I've trained for decades, and one thing I've learned, you don't get stronger in the gym, you get stronger while you recover. Sleep is when your muscles repair, your nervous system resets, your hormones recover, your body prepares for the next training session. The problem is if you're tossing and turning because you're too hot or constantly waking up throughout the night, you're missing out on quality recovery. That's what interested me about this mattress. Instead of only focusing on comfort, SweetNight's focus on cooling and recovery. The mattress arrives compressed in the box, so setup is really simple. You just unroll it, you cut away the plastic, and you just let it expand. SweetNight recommends letting it sit flat for about 48 to 72 hours before sleeping on it so the foam can fully expand. One thing I noticed right away is the mattress feels substantial. It's thick, the stitching looks clean, and the cover immediately feels cool to the touch. So what's actually inside this mattress? The first thing is a CoolNest cooling system. This is SweetNight's multi-stage cooling system that's designed to help you dissipate body heat instead of trapping it like traditional memory foam. According to SweetNight, the sleep surface can sleep up to 8 degrees cooler than conventional memory foam. The second feature is a PCM Flux high resilience foam. The goal here is temperature regulation. So instead of overheating throughout the night, it absorbs and releases excess body heat to help you maintain a more consistent sleep temperature. Next is the 5-zone ergonomic foam technology. So instead of every part of the mattress feeling exactly the same, different zones are designed to support different parts of your body. Your shoulders, your hips, your lower back. So pressure is distributed more evenly. That's especially important if you're active and you're constantly putting stress on your joints during training. Another feature I like is designed to reduce motion transfer. So if someone next to you moves like your wife or your husband, you're much less likely to feel it. It's also ACA endorsed for ergonomic spinal support. Now let's talk about how it actually feels. The first thing I noticed, it's cool. Not freezing, but definitely cooler than traditional memory foam mattresses I've slept on in the past. And as someone who trains almost every single day, I appreciate anything that helps me stay more comfortable throughout the night. Support-wise, it has a really nice balance between contouring and firmness, so you don't feel like you're sinking into quicksand, but you also don't feel like you're just sleeping on a board. My shoulders, my hips, and my lower back all felt really super supported. And when I woke up, I didn't feel stiff, I felt ready to move, and for me, that's the biggest test. Recovery isn't about sleeping longer, guys, it's about sleeping better. I think this mattress makes the most sense if you train regularly, whether you run, you lift weights, you do CrossFit, practice calisthenics, or simply someone who just sleeps hot, wakes up really sore from work, or wants a cooling mattress without spending luxury mattress prices. I think you appreciate what this really offers. Now, if you're perfectly happy with your current mattress, you probably don't need to switch, but if overheating constantly interrupts your sleep, this could make a huge noticeable difference. So what impressed me the most wasn't just that it felt comfortable, it was how they combined cooling, support, and pressure relief, and motion isolation into one mattress. Recovery isn't only about protein shakes, guys, cold plunges, or supplements. Sleep is probably the most powerful recovery tool all of us have, and we need to take advantage of it. If your mattress helps you sleep deeper and stay cooler, you're going to benefit with every workout you do in your future. If you're looking for a mattress that prioritizes cooling and recovery, check out the SweetNight CoolNest memory foam mattress. I'll put the link down below with my discount code so you can save some money. You can sleep cooler, recover better, and I'll see you in the next video. And here's the best part. SweetNight is hosting an amazing giveaway, and you could win this super cozy neck pillow and sleeping eye mask combo for completely free. All you need to do is click the SweetNight official link down below to enter. The lucky winners will be announced on August 4th, so don't miss out. Who knows, the lucky winner could be you. Go grab your chance now.